Alright, so no start, so let's see. Let's check for spark here. Yeah, spark is all good. Let's check the back. What was that? Exhaust pipe, exhaust pipe, exhaust pipe. What is this? Don't tell me the battery's melting on the exhaust. I hope it's not leaking some acid all over the place. Let's remove it, see what's going on. It looks like it's just the tray. I'm not sure why it sagged so much and it started to melt on the exhaust. That's not good. Probably stunk like, crap. Alright, peel that off. Let's remove the spark plug, see what it looks like. What is this? Oh no, man. Oh, I hope this is going to work.